down in San Diego. Beautiful, huh? There you go. As you can see, those buildings right there. I'm going to Seaport Village. Okay, on the other side. The other side. Okay, right here, Seaport Village. Okay. It's a nice building right there. Seaport Village right there. Okay, now we're here in the Marriott Hotel right there. Seaport Village. So that's Seaport Village. Okay. Oh, we have a one horse right here. If you see that right there, Cinderella Carriage Company. There you go. Okay, this is Seaport Village now. This is Seaport Village. Boats right there. See this boat? A lot of boats. Okay, I'm here now, Seaport Village. Just gonna walk around. 2 a.m. Over here we have to pay the parking lot. Oh, so right now 6 p.m. 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on the Saturday. Okay, so I think I'm free right now. I'm glad I came 6 o'clock, so that's why it is.